Hello everyone. Did you know that for the northern half of the world, the middle of January is very often the coldest part of winter? In the US, the Martin Luther King holiday weekend is very often the coldest time of year. What do northern climate gardeners do in the coldest part of winter? Well, in the past, I've made videos about using frozen bananas to hammer nails, or I have thrown boiling water in the air to watch it instantly turn to fog. So what am I doing this year indoors? I'm being smart. I'm reading garden catalogs, which I'll put some links down below, and I'm drinking hot chocolate. I make my own chocolate bombs with marshmallows and candy canes inside. I can't give you the recipe for these, but I will tell you a little secret. A great hot chocolate bomb is the Cadbury cream egg. Just heat up some milk, drop in the egg, stir it up, and enjoy. Hey, Easter candy's for sale right now, so try to get some this weekend. And buy some extras, freeze for next winter, and they're small, so you may need to put 2 in a larger cup. If you want to learn more about using frozen fruit as a hammer, watch this video, or more about polar vortexes, watch this one, and especially the surprise ending. And this is Jeff with the Greener View. Thanks for watching.